Well, I got an idea. Let's ban memes. They tried to do that in Spain. That turned into the Spain of pain. Not to be not to be rhymed with other things that rhyme with pain in Spain.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
I think she's got it.
Over there, the Prime Minister, Mariano Rajoy, I guess some of his people or whatever, they thought, you know what? These whole memes and everything, that they're really mean. They should be called memes. But they're not. They're called memes. Anyway, he's like, we should probably ban these things because they're awful. Which, of course, when an old person does something and when an old person shows up and they're in charge and they're like, we don't understand this technology, so let's squash it. Well, all the people who do understand the technology and like to have a little bit of fun immediately go, oh, is this what you didn't want? You didn't want this, did you? Oh, whoops. I'm sorry, but did you want your face on an Ewok? I didn't understand what you wanted here. Did you perhaps want to be Edward Scissorhands? And did you want your scissors to... there's probably some political statement there. In Spain, do they speak Catalan or... I know they speak Spanish in most of Spain. I'm not really exactly sure what's going to happen here. Because is this going to incite them? Or is it going to make him be like, okay. Sorry, we tried to step on your internet. We're not going to do that anymore. And... There's been sort of a history in Spain of them not understanding the way things work, with them trying to, ban Google from posting news properly, and just all kinds of weird things have been going on over there. So if you're someone in Spain and is more on the ground than I am with this kind of stuff and knows what's actually happening, I would love an email from you, because, of course, we're not getting... Why are we on the Daily Mail?